guys, so today we have this unboxing video on this package. My mother had ordered a dress material and along with that I had also ordered a bag from there. So let's start opening. Wow, can you see that bag? Wow, look, it's so cute. It's pretty small but very cute. You can also wear this as a handbag. It has like two zips, one here and one here. The zip is pretty smooth. All this. Ooh. So this is pretty spacious inside. This is super cute, guys. Now let's check out the dress material that my mom ordered. This blue one, this is also pretty cool and soft. So all these are coming from Punjab and it's a pretty nice order. Bye guys.